What's up, guys? Wait. What's up, guys? It's Roblox again, playing again Roblox. And as you can see right now, I'm in my house. And I told you I'm next to the vent. And it's always annoying. Watch, listen to this. Wait, let me listen. I'm pretty sure you heard that. I know I look so young right now. Hello. Alright. Jack is on, but he's not on. He's online. Alright, now we'll just play Prison Life now. I remember the guy who kept saying my name and the girl who kept teasing us. Which was annoying. I'm sorry if I'm so laggy right now. My internet is bad. Prison Life 2.0. Version 2.02 or Prison Life V 2.0.2. Yeah. Prison Life V 2.02. Prison Life V 2.0.2. Yeah. This is actually my first. I think I should move my webcam right. Wait. Right. Here. Yes! I need to go somewhere where. I'll move you over here. I'll be right back. I'm gonna just. Move somewhere clear. Oh wow, we can see someone right here. Or I don't think you can see him, but I definitely can. Okay, we're gonna pick. Where's my mouse? Oh my. Okay. Prisoners, here we go. I know I have Cringley's skin. I want out, please. Oh wait, we're supposed to be out. I will kill you. I will. Chill. It's a riot. A riot. We killed that cop. Oh my. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm kind of sick today. Oh, hey, buddy. Hey, bud. This is a good time. Wait, no, I was not ready. He wasn't ready. You ready to die? Are you ready for me to leave? Go. No! I'm not sorry if I'm talking too much, but as you can see, I'm actually playing right now, so get away from me! I need to live! I need to live! I thought I just had limited ammo. Yes! Now I'm gonna just be on my way. What's up? No! I'm just playing here, buddy. What's up? What you gonna do about this, Dukes? He doesn't know, but I'm behind him. Haha. Stay there. Get away from me, you ugly. Okay. I'm like, stay the hell away from me, you ugly cop. But never mind. Oh my god, I look so creepy, don't I? Yeah, I look like a creep. But it's good. At least I'm being a YouTuber. Oh, hey, bud. Hey. Yeah, boy. Boy. You need my... Hey, get away from me. Get away from me. Let me get that key card though. Yeah, I just got that key card. Need my... Oh. Oh. You do need my help though. I'm not the best player at this game. Well, not best, but I'm okay. So if anyone pops up, I'm gonna glock them. Okay. Hey, you wanna die? Die. Are y'all good over there, bro? That's good. I'm good over here. I'm good for now. You wanna live? Run, child. Oh, God. Oh, hey. Hey, you can't touch this. You can't touch this. Are you trying to punch me, Carl? Is you really trying to punch me? No. Just stop. She won't find me. I thought that was her. Ooh. Yeah, it was you. Get away from me. You noob. You hurt me. You hurt me. I hurt you. I'm gonna keep killing her. Oh, hey. I said hey. I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much, but that's an issue. No, she's gonna kill me. I really did not trust her for a minute. Yeah, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much, but that's an issue, but I'm okay. Oh, no! Don't kill the prisoners. Don't kill. Oh, I'm about to kill this. Don't kill the prisoners. What's up? Yeah, doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much, but that's an issue, but I'm okay. Yeah. Oh, bro, I literally thought that was a cop. I would be like, crap. It was right at this moment. He knew he effed up. It was right at that moment. He knew he was gonna die. Oh, okay, sorry, prisoners. I was doing just fine right before I met you. I drank too much, but that's an issue. Yeah, what the? Bite me, you ugly white boy. I'm playing. I'm white too, so don't be racist. Don't get on me. Don't get on me. Why is this lagging? Oh, because I don't have the key card. Go, kids. You must live your happy lives. Go! Yeah. Why do I have so much low ammo? Did they really forget a key card? I'm like, come on now. Bruh. Are you gonna come? Okay. I think too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. I'm gonna die in here. This place is the only place I'll die. Hey, bud. Get away from me. Just take it away! Oh, okay. Let's die. Ha! Ha! I just karate chopped him. He sent me a friend request. I feel so bad. I'll accept it. If I could. Honestly, I'm gonna just leave him in. Oh, you saw how much damage that hammer did, though? Wow. This video has already been 10 minutes. Wow. Shoot runner. Shoot runner. What's that? I don't know if you guys know what shoot runner is, but I really don't know what it is. Shoot the world, okay? I'll shoot the world. 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 I'm just playing. I'm just shooting around. Fine, I'll shoot. Das. Just imagine I'm a 360 this girl. Ooh, 360. Das. Pop your head out. I'ma boom your head. Do. I really want him to. Das. Rip her. Run. Yeah, it's fire. Okay. I let you it. I need to become a cop and kill him. I'll be back after this one. Just got a little sneak peek of me. Or no, me face. A face. I'm gonna just put on all this on. 5, put that, and then 4 right here, and then go in here and kill her. That's all I really wanted to do. Hey, Jack's back. Jack. I'm making another vid. Jack, I'm making another vid. Bowser, I'm never gonna let you. I don't do much, but that's an issue, but I'm okay. Stop. I'm about to end it too. I'm about to edit too. What are you still doing? Get out of here, you ugly one. Hold on, I need to reload. I'll kill you. Okay, I really need to kill it. I'm gonna kill it. I don't care. I tried touching someone. Hi, butt. Okay. I was a little spy right before I make you touch me once. I was just. Okay. I'm not actually AFK, I'm just pretending to. Touch me one time, little girl. I dare you. Un poquito más. I just do not really want